Hi everybody, my name is Rachel LeBrock and I'm with Eldorado Hills Realty. We are the local listing brokers for HUD. That's the Housing and Urban Development Department of our government. And today I am so excited to be showing you HUD's newest listing. Today we are at 5161 Oak Hill Road in Placerville, California. This lot sits on a beautiful and usable 2 acres with 2 units on the property. We have the main home just behind me. It's about 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,400 square feet. And then the second unit has about 800 square feet with a bedroom, full bathroom, and kitchen. This garage here is a 2-car oversized garage with a drive-through door in the back, perfect for converting to a barn or to add a workshop. So without further ado, let's check out the inside. So I hope you're keeping in mind that this property does need some TLC, but with a little bit of work, you can really make this home the gem of the neighborhood. Speaking of which, you can see this beautiful, nice circular driveway with a long entry from the road, giving this property some really nice curb appeal. You are located just minutes away from the main city of Placerville with great local eateries, shopping, schools, and easy freeway access, giving you that great country life feel, while again, just minutes from local amenities, and only an hour and a half from South Lake Tahoe. So again, below is the price of the property, the address. If you have questions or would like to schedule a showing, give us a call at 916-283-7427. To learn more about this property and other HUD homes, visit www.hudhomestore.gov or our website, sellingnorcal.com. Thanks so much and see you on the next one.